9. How did Prince Siddhartha become a Buddha? After leaving home, he visited 3 renowned scholars of the day and learned from them. Very soon, he mastered all their methods, but none of them was a real path of liberation. He then decided to seek freedom from samsara by himself. To convince the ascetics, who practiced austerities popular at the time, Siddhartha underwent severe austerities for 6 years in a forest on the banks of the Neranjara River, living on a grain of rice a day. After realizing the futility of austerities in his search for enlightenment, Siddhartha stopped them and took a bath in the Neranjara River, cleaning off the accumulated dirt of 6 years. He accepted milk gruel offered by a shepherd girl and recovered his strength. Then he went to a pippala tree, sat down on a seat made from auspicious grass, and faced east. He vowed, "I will not rise from this seat until I have attained supreme enlightenment." Finally, one night, after defeating moral afflictions and Mara's temptations, he achieved complete enlightenment and became a Buddha. The place where Shakyamuni attained Buddhahood is in the southern suburbs of Bodh Gaya in India's Bihar state. Nearby are numerous other sites associated with the Buddha. Namo Amitabha Buddha.